On the library homepage, you will find our library catalog. Here you can choose between searching for books and journals or for individual articles, book chapters, or other publications. You can also perform a simple keyword search. I will select Advanced Search because it allows for more targeted search. The library catalog searches the collections of all academic libraries in Bavaria. Therefore, if you are looking for media available at the Library of THA, it is important to tick the relevant box. You can also search specifically for certain document types. The drop-down menu in the search fields offers various search criteria such as title keywords, author, subject heading, publication year, publisher, or ISBN. If you search in all fields, all available search criteria are taken into account. I'm searching for a book on research methods. The search returns 1,146 results of different types. For example, there are online resources. If I click Read Online, I am redirected to the database where I can access the PDF depending on the publisher's licensing conditions. On the left-hand side, you will find filters that allow you to narrow down your search results according to specific criteria such as document type or format, subject area, or publication year. Let's filter for printed books. Now we see that some books are part of the library's collection but are currently on loan by professors or other staff. Others are available for borrowing immediately. Some books are stored in the closed stacks and must be requested before you can use them. These items can always be identified by the prefix 01 in their shelf mark. Among them, we find books that are available in the reading room as well as books that are currently on loan. When you click on a title, additional information about its availability is displayed, such as the due date or whether additional copies are available in the library. The shelf map tells you where to find the book on the shelves. By clicking the information icon, you can view useful details about the title, including its subject headings. These subject headings describe the book's content and can help you find related literature when searching library catalogs and databases. At the bottom of the record, you will also find recommendations for additional literature on similar topics.